DARDONTECH is a national high-tech enterprise with long-established technological traditions. For the past 2 decades, we've been developing cutting-edge manufacturing solutions for customer. The prestige of our company is based on one well-recognized brand, DARDONTECH, a benchmark in the field of CNC punching, CNC press brake, panel bender, laser cutting, and automated production systems for sheet metal industry. The intelligent RAM on DARDONTECH E-Series CNC turret punch press makes the workpiece perfectly while using rolling technologies, such like rolling offset, rolling rib, and lettering. The new generation laser cutting machine is designed under the concept of machine tools. DARDONTECH insists the high rigidity as the basement and keeps the passion in upgrading the dynamic performance, cutting quality and accuracy stability. The CNC press brake team is well experienced with European standards since 1990s. DARDONTECH is focusing on leading the technology inheritance and innovation. The new developed bending center is the flexible solution for panel forming process, enables the fast and high accuracy production. We have state-of-art facilities, a branch company that specialized in precision machining for key components of our machines, a technology research and development center where the ideas bursting out and aiming to provide the best solutions. Our international footprint is keeping extending with the help of local service team. We can offer the completed service on site. Please no hesitate to contact us for proposal. DARDONTECH, enable the excellence.